guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Wace, and today we're going to be unboxing iPhone 13. Not one, not two, not three, but four iPhone 13s. And that's crazy because I've got every single color. So we've got the red, the blue, the Starlight, and pink. Guys, you got to let me know in the comments below what is your favorite color. Obviously, we're going to open these up. I'm going to check the colors out. These two are the latest colors to iPhone 13. The pink, girls, you're going to love this, and Starlight. Actually, before we start the unboxing, I just want to let you know this video is recorded on the iPhone 12 13 Pro Max. I mean, it looks stunning, it looks crazy. It's a HDR 4K at 30 frames per second. So I'm super excited to unbox these. So let's move these out the way. We've got the blue one here. Really thin packaging. You've got iPhone on each side, the Apple logo top and the end, and they're all in blue. Really nice. One thing I've noticed is that Apple have completely removed the plastic cellophane that used to come on the boxes. We have just tabs, a tab at the top, tab at the bottom. Get these pulled off. Guys, ready? Oh, that was really bad unboxing. We have the iPhone 13 here in blue. So what you get inside is the Designed by Apple in California booklet, the SIM card tool, terms and condition, and the Apple sticker. And of course, just the lightning cable, nothing else. So let's move this out the way. So we've got the blue. Okay, let's unbox the red. Flip it again. Really nice. I do love the red. It's one of my favorite colors. Wow. This is really dark red. This looks absolutely amazing. Okay. Ooh, so this one is slightly different. So we have product red card in here. So you also get a SIM ejector tool. Everything else is pretty much the same. You don't get a red Apple sticker. So that's kind of sad. Move that to one side now. Okay, so this is the Starlight color. To be honest, it looks sort of like a silver, but let's just open it up. Oh wow, it's pretty unique. Okay, I have to say, it doesn't look silver. This is sort of a slight tint to the color. Finally, what do we have here? We have, ladies, the pink iPhone 13. Drum roll. Wow, that looks really nice. I do like the color. The pink on the back here does look nice. It's more of a light pink, but it's not like a salmon pink or something like that. So it's really nice. Let's move this out of the way. Okay, so there you go. iPhone 13 unboxing. We've got red, we've got Starlight, we've got pink, and we've got blue. Let's just fire one of these up. We're gonna pick the pink one here. Wow, that feels really good. Feels really good. Right, should we power these on? Okay, so we have the blue on, the red on, and then these two at the same time. Amazing. So we have iOS 15 installed, pre-installed on all iPhone 13 models. Okay, let me just flip these around so we can have a better look at the colors, because that's what we want to look at. We want to look at the colors. So design-wise, nothing's really changed. So we have a few new colors. So in the Pro Max models, we have the Sierra Blue, and of course in the iPhone 13 models, we have the Starlight and the pink. Now we're just gonna bring my iPhone 12 into this. Can you tell the difference? Other than, of course, the two lens sideways, and we've got the lens here vertical. And the reason for that is because Apple has completely redesigned the module. That is it, guys. The iPhone 13 unboxing all done. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and make sure to follow me on TikTok. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. Let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see. Are you gonna get the iPhone 13, or do you think it isn't really worth upgrading? But regardless, let me know in the comments below, and let me know what you want to see in the next video. More videos coming out, so make sure to subscribe, hit the like button. I'll see you guys in the next video.